Welcome, we are Temex, and you are now watching the result of an extensive study we have been working on. This study focused on the assembly of rotors and stators. In this video, we will showcase the innovations and solutions in our production line.
This stator is currently being aligned on the rotary positioner with the help of a camera to ensure it is always in the same axis. The stator is then placed into the press to be joined with the stator frame. Stator is then welded to the frame using a 1AXIS manipulator equipped with a welding machine as gripper. After welding, the component is moved to a lathe using a 3AXIS manipulator to smooth the welds and surface. As you can see here,
we conducted this feasibility study for our customer, who wanted to increase the efficiency of alternator production and ensure greater consistency and quality. We created this visualization for them, which verified the required cycle time of production and demonstrated the spatial arrangement of the production line.
Lastly, the rotor and stator must be joined at a station next to the lathe. The stator and rotor are secured with 4 large bolts, which are screwed in by a manipulator equipped with a screwdriver attachment. Once assembled, the product is ready for the collection area.
A conducted study assured the customer of the return on investment for the automated production line we subsequently implemented for them. Temex, always something extra.